Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low client FPS in Valorant. Let's begin. First, go to your start menu over here, type settings, or simply type game mode settings. Now this will be the same for Windows 10 or 11, just a slight difference. Go to captures, and record in the background while I'm playing a game. Make sure this is turned off, and this is going to be for Windows 10. For Windows 11, it will say something like record what happened. Turn that off, all right? Next, go to game bar. Make sure this is off. Next, go to game mode and ensure this is turned on. Once done, you can minimize or close this window and go to your start menu again. Type device manager. Go to Display Adapters, select your graphics card, right-click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Once you have determined that you have the updated drivers, close everything, go open your browser, and look for the NVIDIA application or AMD software. Most likely, your GPU is either going to be between these two. Just download the application. It will determine if your GPU is out of date. In most cases or users, this actually fixes the issue just simply updating their graphics card. And once done, you might need to do a system restart and just simply open or play Valorant. Everything should now be running smoothly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.